morning, everybody. So we have already started our day. We are actually leaving the city of Hoi An and we are headed out into the countryside to check out the Cheraya village, and we are getting there riding these bikes. So I'm not really sure how I feel about this biking on the streets of Hoi An. I thought the Vespa tour was crazy, but at least somebody else was driving that actually knew what they were doing. Okay, I almost died right there. Did you see that? This is crazy because I have to drive myself through all of this traffic.
So our guide was saying when the tops of the rice turns yellow, the rice is ready to harvest. Something you'll also notice out here during this time of year is the hundreds of sparrows that actually come to eat the rice.
So we've arrived here at the Cheraya village and we have the opportunity to go out and check out the fields here. We were given these nice brown uniforms to put on so that we can look like the farmers out here. Although they are just a little bit hot in this 94-degree temperature and this hot humidity.
High five. They even gave a demonstration on their local farming practices and even gave us a shot at trying it ourselves.
Is it workout?
It's a workout. At least it's not hot out though.
Here in Vietnam is some really hard work, but now we're going to head back and we're going to have a foot bath.
So the foot bath is actually full of medicinal herbs that are actually grown in the gardens around this area. It's actually supposed to promote good health.
So I'm a little nervous about this. We're about to learn to make some Vietnamese pancakes. They look really delicious, but it looks a little dangerous. You know I like fire.
That's kind of fun.
Get that concentration in fire. I should be a chef. I'm pretty sure of it. Oh, try again. So hard. After having an amazing day in the Cheraya village, we hopped back on our bikes and headed back to Hoi An, where we had an amazing farewell dinner with our Flying the Nest expedition group.
So we can't express how amazing Stephen and Jess are in real life, and we are super grateful to be included on this expedition. We'd also like to take this opportunity to thank each and every member of the expedition. You guys truly made this trip an unforgettable experience.
We sadly said our goodbyes, but we still have a couple days left in Hoi An, so we're going to head out, explore, and try to find their signature dish. Cao Lau is considered to be perhaps the signature dish of Hoi An. It's all made locally. From the noodles to the vegetables, everything is locally sourced. So the noodles are very, very special. The water that they use to make these noodles comes from a local spring and can only be gotten here in Hoi An. Also, they use ash from Cham Island, again, which can only be gotten from this area. Totally spectacular. This is one of the best meals I've eaten in Vietnam.
That's perfect.
We can't even believe we're leaving Hoi An. It's been our absolute favorite town on the entire trip.
But up next, we're headed to the city of Da Nang.
So, you'll want to stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell to get notifications of our next video. And until next time,
Stay wonderful.
Don't worry, go back out, you see, say